Hi, welcome back to BarnesBasics, and I want to talk about the bridge equation that I use to solve stoichiometry problems. And I want to clarify just a few things as we go, and I think this will put us in a good position to keep working at stoichiometry problems and to do a good job. Number one, whenever we're given a stoichiometry problem, the first thing that we need to do is write down what is given. And I specifically want to talk about doing a grams to grams calculation. And when I say that, I mean grams of one substance to grams of another one. So this is like the long throwdown. On the left, we put the grams of the given substance on the left, and then on the far right we are going to say this is the grams desired. I'm going to say that. I want to talk about the different bridges that we have to cross to get from grams given to grams desired. And the first part of the bridge is that we got to convert from grams of the given substance to moles in the first step. So we would say that 1 mole of the given substance is the same thing as a certain number of grams of the given substance. That would allow the units to cancel. And then the middle portion is the mole ratio. So since we're trying to find the grams of another substance, we have to put the moles of the desired substance on top. And then the moles of the given substance have to go on the bottom here so that they will cancel. The last step that we have to make to get to grams of a different substance in a balanced chemical equation in a stoichiometry problem is that we would flip this expression here. We would say that 1 mole of the desired substance is equal to a certain number of grams of the desired substance. Kind of overrun my boundaries a little bit here. This allows moles of desired substance and moles of desired substance to cancel, leaving us only with the grams of the desired substance. Let's talk about this just a little bit more. This right here, the grams of the given substance, that is the formula weight, or the mass of the given substance that we're talking about. This is also the formula weight, but it's of the desired substance. This middle section right here is the mole ratio. So we look in the balanced chemical formula and we look at the number in front of the desired substance. That's the coefficient. That is the number that goes on top. And then the coefficient that's in front of the given substance goes on the bottom right here. So in this step, we are going from grams to moles, and then when we go from here to here to here, we're going from moles to grams. And the center of the bridge is this mole ratio. Also, in some of the previous videos, I talked about the second step, or I talked about the fourth step. So I've never heard anybody give numbers to these steps, but I might say that the first step is to write down the grams given. I would also say the second part of that step is write down what is desired over on the far right, but I would definitely call this my second step, my third, and my fourth, and then I would get my answer. So in effect, this one is actually 1 and 5. Number 1 in that we write down the unit we're trying to achieve here, but then fifth, we write the value, the numerical value for the answer to the stoichiometry problem. This is kind of good to kind of think about this for just a minute. We're going to continue on with another grams to grams problem here in the next episode.